What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, where we help you start and grow your cleaning company. We've helped multiple people go to six figures, y'all, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. Today, we're here to talk about how I was able to buy my second rental property. This is actually back in 2020, the beginning of 2020, we bought this property, but I just never put this video out. Me recording, the property and how we got it and everything, because it's hard getting property and finding financing as an entrepreneur. So I explain how I was able to pull that off, as well as I walk you through the property. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, CBN? AJ checking in finally. It's been a minute since I checked in on here, but I saw William Wade up there. He just motivated me, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, because I've been told y'all I was gonna hop up here. And y'all know I've been sick as a dog too, so if you've been having questions and I ain't got on your post yet, I apologize if I ain't get to it yet. It's just between this house, me feeling sick, all of that, and then still trying to run my company, so between all of this stuff, it just is a lot. It's a lot, and I still got to put finishing touches on the course too, the in-house lead generation course, so I'm getting everything together. But I wanted to check in and go over everything too. Welcome again to the new members in the group. Usually, even though y'all might have seen that I've been active a little bit already, but I'm usually more active than what I have been this past week or so. I just been sick as a dog, man, and me not being home don't help none. But so first I'm gonna answer the question, because I told William Wade I was gonna discuss this about why we decided to get the single family instead of the multi-family. Let me flip this too. Y'all can see it. Ain't like I'm hiding it. It's the house right here. Look at single family, 4-bedroom. Nothing fancy. It's just like the first one we used to have. We got the other one in 2014. And so, hold on, let me open this door, y'all. For the new members, usually when I go live in the group these days, I probably go live with just the audio. Last time I showed my face off, I ain't showed my face off in the group in a while. Hey, Miss Wendy, I see you checking in. But yeah, the reason why we chose the single family is because one thing about the way that we trying to invest is we really trying to buy, how they say buy back the block. That's really what we trying to do. Like you can see these floors right now. They had this old pink, matter of fact, you can see it outside. They had this old pink carpet in here. And so we pulled it up yesterday. I was so daggone sick, I had to keep taking breaks. But we got it done though. And so we snatched up all that old pink carpet, and we're gonna expose this floor. I'm gonna refinish them. So I'm finna learn some special services now. So I know I'll be able to tell y'all more about how to take care of wood floors now when I get finished with this one. But anyway, yeah, so nothing major. But anyway, so the reason why we did single family over multi-family, because like I said, we trying to buy back the block. We want to, invest where we from to help make the community better where we from, right? But one thing that we realized was, yeah, multi-family will pay more as far as the cash flow. But to be honest, when you look at it, like I said not too long ago in a recent video that I did, ain't really no real money in this stuff, no way, until you really get like, commercial property. Until you get into like 100 doors or something, ain't really no money in this stuff, man, when you got mortgages to pay first before you get the rent payment. So it's 3 bedrooms back here, and then there's a 4th one on the other side out. So it ain't really like it's a money play, it's more of a wealth play. You got the value of the property, so you got the equity part, and then you also got the and then you got, I forgot the point I was getting at on that. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is this. So the money thing is more money in multifamily, but what we were thinking about is the quality of the tenant. With multifamily, a lot of times you get a lower quality tenant. And so we don't want to deal with, problem tenants. We want people who are going to value what they got, stay long term, you know what I mean, and take care of it. Like my tenant that I got at the other house, they've been the same tenant since 2014. A lot of times she fixes stuff and won't even call me. She'll call a plumber and pay for it herself before I gotta come and do it. So, you know what I mean? That's what we're trying to build, and we want to, because a lot of people, you know, in this area and in my neighborhood, in my city where I'm from, I got my work clothes on, but that's from this area. They're not homeowners. You know what I mean? They don't know how to get the credit right. They renters. But they all do want a home, like a single family house. So we would think, you know what, why don't we just start buying up single family houses and then we'll just rent them out to people at affordable prices. You know what I mean? Try to keep the rent as low as possible, but enough for us to profit every month. You know what I mean? And just make sure we provide quality housing. So that's the kind of the route that we had. So to answer William Wade's question, that's why we chose to do multifamily. No particular reason for our business-wise, just more of a I don't know, I guess our strategy, but I mean, it's nothing like it's going such a big business, I guess, sense out of it. All right. The other thing is I want to talk about was how to get financing with a brand new business, because I heard a lot of people in the past, and even I ran into it a lot of times, that it was hard to get financing or get a mortgage when you got a brand new business, because the banks don't want to see that. Like, they want to see a stable company, right? Well, the key to it is, and I figured this out when I bought my car, okay? And y'all know, I told y'all about it when I first bought my car a few months ago. And what it is you never ever put self-employed on the application. That's the first thing, okay? Make yourself an employee and list your business as your job, okay? And so if you have another person that works for you, or you know somebody who you can make work for you, okay, side eye, have them be your supervisor and put their number down as the company. You know what I mean? I'm not telling you to lie. I'm just saying that this is how you got to rearrange things in order for it to go through, okay? So, my wife works for the company, okay? So she was able to get financing through the company. And then however much she needed to make in order to qualify for whatever we wanted her to qualify for, we made sure that she made whatever amount that she needed to make. You see what I'm saying, as far as salary go. So that's really what it comes down to. Now, as far as, obviously, you got to have the credit score. Obviously, you got to have the down payment. Unless you can find a down payment assistance program locally, which most states do have, if you're going to do an FHA or a first-time home buyer. But other than that, that's pretty much it. You know what I mean? That's all I pretty much got on it. But I told William Wade I will hop up here and go live for y'all. But if y'all got any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them before I get to work in here some more. I'm going to start cleaning up in here. Let's see. Oh, I thought that was a question. They just telling me who watching. All right. But yeah, that's all, man. So eventually we're going to go back to Florida, go get all of our stuff, bring it down here once we finish cleaning up everything. And I'm going to get somebody in here to paint and refinish this the trimming here, and then we're gonna be good. Yeah, if your credit score is 750, you as long as you got the income to match it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, because my credit score is not great at all, and my wife's hers is good now. Hers is pretty good, but yeah, 750, you can do whatever you want. All right, so yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's all y'all. Other than that, man, I ain't got nothing else for y'all. I appreciate y'all checking in, though. And I'll talk to y'all soon. And like I said, man, between me being sick, between me working on this house, I am a little bit busier right now. But again, tag me if it's an emergency, if you need me to answer quicker. I'm going to hop right in the group and I'm going to answer your questions. All right, y'all, appreciate it.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.